In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall a game directly inside the Microsoft Store app library. If you want to remove a game from your PC without digging through multiple settings menus, the Microsoft Store gives you a quick way to do it right from your library. This is especially useful if you installed the game through the store and want a simple, direct method to free up space or clean up your installed apps list. Start by opening the Microsoft Store app on your computer. Once it launches, look toward the bottom left corner of the window and click on the library icon. This area shows the apps and games connected to your Microsoft Store account, including items you've already installed. After you're in the library section, scroll through the list until you find the game you want to remove. If your library is long, you can also switch to the Games tab to narrow things down and make the title easier to spot. Taking this extra step can save time, especially if you have a lot of apps mixed in with your games. When you've found the correct game, look for the three-dot menu next to its title. Click that menu to open more options. From the drop-down list, select Uninstall. This tells the Microsoft Store that you want to remove the game from your device. In some cases, you may see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure. If that happens, click Uninstall again to confirm. After that, Windows will begin removing the game. Before you uninstall, it's a good idea to make sure you've selected the right game, since uninstalling will remove it from your system. And that's it. That's how to uninstall a game directly from the Microsoft Store app library quickly and easily.